Good morning, everyone. Mathematics is a great motivation for people as life starts with zero but never ends infinity. In this video, we are going to see chapter 3 Trigonometry episode 2. Here we are going to see the remaining sums in exercise 3.1. We are going to see the remaining sums in exercise 3.1. Sum number 1. If x equal to summation of n equal to 0 to infinity cos power 2n theta, y equal to summation of n equal to 0 to infinity sin power 2n theta, and z equal to summation of n equal to 0 to infinity cos power 2n theta sin power 2n theta, where 0 less than theta less than pi by 2. Then show that xyz equal to x plus y plus z. Here given x equal to summation of n equal to 0 to infinity cos power 2n theta. Now for n I am going to give the values from 0 to infinity. First I am going to give the value of n as 0. So cos power 2 into 0 is 0. So cos power is 0 theta plus, now I am giving n as 1. 2 into 1, 2 plus cos square theta plus n as 2. 2 into 2, 4. Cos power 4 theta plus dot dot. Anything power 0 is 1. So cos power 0 theta is 1 plus cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta can be written as cos square theta the whole square plus dot dot. We know that 1 plus x square plus x cube plus dot 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 equal to 1 by 1 minus x. Here we have in the place of x as a cos square theta. That is 1 plus cos square theta plus cos square theta the whole square plus dot dot, which is equal to 1 by 1 minus. In the place of x we have cos square theta. 1 by 1 minus cos square theta. We know that 1 minus cos square theta, which is equal to sin square theta. That is 1 by sin square theta. Assume that as 1. Now we go for y. Y is equal to summation of n equal to 0 to infinity sin power 2n theta. Now I am going to give the values of n as 0, 1, 2, 3 dot dot. First I am going to substitute n as a 0. 2 into 0 is 0. Then we get sin power 0 theta plus n as a 1. 2 into 1 is 2. Then sin square theta plus n as a 2. 2 to the 4. Sin power 4 theta plus dot dot, which is equal to anything power 0 is 1. So 1 plus sin square theta plus sin power 4 theta can be written as sin square theta the whole square plus dot dot. This also in this form, 1 plus x square plus x cube plus dot dot dot, which is equal to 1 by 1 minus x. But here x as a sin square theta. So which is equal to 1 by 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta is nothing but cos square theta. So we are getting 1 by cos square theta. Assume that as 2. Next we go for z. Z equal to summation of n equal to 0 to infinity cos power 2n theta sin power 2n theta. Now give values n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 dot dot. First I am going to give n as a 0. Then we get cos power 0 theta sin power 0 theta. Then n as a 1 plus cos square theta into sin square theta plus n as a 2. Then cos power 4 theta sin power 4 theta plus dot dot, which is equal to 1 plus cos square theta sin square theta plus cos power 4 theta sin power 4 theta can be written as cos square theta sin square theta the whole square plus dot dot. This also is in the form of 1 plus x square plus x cube dot dot dot, which is equal to 1 by 1 minus x. But here we have x as a cos square theta sin square theta. So which is equal to 1 by 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta. Assume this as 3. Now we need to prove xyz equal to x plus y plus z. I am going to take RHS x plus y plus z. So we got x value as 1 by sin square theta, y as 1 by cos square theta and z as 1 by 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta, which is equal to, for the first two terms I am going to take LCM. Then we get cos square theta plus sin square theta by sin square theta cos square theta. Write the third term as it is. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. We know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Then we get 1 by sin square theta cos square theta plus 1 by 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta. Then again we are going to take LCM. Then we get 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta plus sin square theta cos square theta by sin square theta cos square theta into 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta. In the numerator part, sin square theta cos square theta will be cancelled. Then we get the numerator as 1 by sin square theta cos square theta into 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta, which can be written like this: 1 by sin square theta into 1 by cos square theta into 1 by 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta, which is nothing but 1 by sin square theta is x, 1 by cos square theta is y, 1 by 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta is z. So we got left hand side. Hence, proved. Sum number 2. If tan square theta equal to 1 minus k square, show that secant theta plus tan cube theta cosecant theta equal to 2 minus k square 3 by 2. Also, find the value of k for which this result holds. Given tan square theta equal to 1 minus k square. Adding 1 on both sides. Then we get 1 plus tan square theta which is equal to 1 plus 1 minus k square. We know that 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 minus k square. Then square root on both sides, then we get secant theta equal to 2 minus k square the whole power 1 by 2. Now take secant theta plus tan cube theta cosecant theta. Secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. Tan theta can be written as sin cube theta by cos cube theta. Cosecant theta is a reciprocal of sin theta. So which can be written 1 by sin theta. Here one of the sin theta will be cancelled. Then we get 1 by cos theta plus sin square theta cos cube theta. Now I am going to take 1 by cos theta commonly out. Then we have 1 plus sin square theta by cos square theta, which is equal to 1 by cos theta. 1 plus sin square theta by cos square theta is nothing but tan square theta. 1 by cos theta is secant theta. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta, which is equal to secant cube theta. We know secant theta value is 2 minus k square the whole power 1 by 2. Then secant cube theta is 2 minus k square whole power 1 by 2 the whole power is 3, which is equal to 2 minus k square the whole power is 3 by 2. So we have proved. Next we need to find the value of k. Given tan square theta equal to 1 minus k square. When theta equal to pi by 2, tan pi by 2, tan 90 degree is infinity. So we cannot define. Not defined. When theta equal to 0, tan theta is 0 means tan 0 is 0. Then we get 1 minus k square equal to 0. Then k square equal to 1, which gives k equal to plus or minus 1. When theta equal to 45, tan 45 value is 1. Then tan square 45 degree is 1 square is 1. 1 minus k square equal to 1. So 1 and 1 will be cancelled. Then we get minus k square equal to 0, which gives k equal to 0. When theta greater than 45 degree, say theta as 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is nothing but root 3. Then tan square 60 degree is root 3 the whole square, which is equal to 3. Then 1 minus k square equal to 3. Then k square equal to 1 minus 3, which is equal to minus 2. Therefore k is imaginary. Imaginary. Therefore when theta greater than 45 degree, k is negative. Therefore, k lies between minus 1 and plus 1. So here we have concluded k lies between minus 1 and plus 1 because when theta greater than 45 degree, k is imaginary. Now it's time for math puzzle. Math puzzle is a good exercise for your thinking skill. It is a beautiful tricky puzzle. Very easy to solve. Now you can pause the video and think logically. Still you are thinking? Okay, anyway, now I am going to share answer for this puzzle. 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 4 square plus 5, which is equal to 24. 6 plus 3 square plus 7, which is equal to 22. Now I am going to apply the same trick here. 8 plus 5 square plus 9, which is 42. Sum number 3. If cos theta into 1 plus sin theta equal to 4m and cos theta into 1 minus sin theta equal to 4n, then prove that m square minus n square the whole square equal to mn. Given cos theta into 1 plus sin theta equal to 4m and cos theta 1 minus sin theta equal to 4n, consider as 1 and 2. Now squaring and subtracting 1 and 2, we get 4m the whole square minus 4n the whole square. So we are squaring and subtracting on both sides, which is equal to cos square theta into 1 plus sin theta the whole square minus cos square theta into 1 minus sin theta the whole square. Here 4m the whole square is 16m square, 4n the whole square is 16n square, which is equal to, I am going to take cos square theta commonly out. Then we have inside the bracket 1 plus sin theta the whole square minus 1 minus sin theta the whole square. So take 16 commonly out, then we have m square minus n square, which is equal to cos square theta into 1 plus sin theta the whole square. Here I am going to use the identity a plus b the whole square. Then we get 1 plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta minus of, here I am going to use a minus b the whole square. Then we get 1 plus sin square theta minus 2 sin theta. 16n square minus n square equal to cos square theta into 1 plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta minus of this is minus 1 minus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta. Here plus 1 and minus 1 will be cancelled, plus sin square theta minus sin square theta is cancelled. Then we have 16m square minus n square equal to cos square theta 2 sin theta plus 2 sin theta is 4 sin theta. Now I am going to divide by 4, then we get 4 m square minus n square, which is equal to cos square theta sin theta. Next, I am going to squaring on both sides. Then we get 4m square minus n square as 16m square minus n square the whole square. Cos square theta sin theta the whole square as cot power 4 theta sin square theta. So 16m square minus n square the whole square, which is equal to cot power 4 theta can be written as cot square theta into cot square theta. Then write sin square theta as it is. Then 16m square minus n square the whole square equal to cot square theta. One of the cot square theta I am going to substitute cosecant square theta minus 1 into sin square theta. 16m square minus n square the whole square equal to cot square theta. Now I am going to multiply inside the bracket with sin square theta. Then we get cosecant square theta sin square theta minus sin square theta. 16m square minus n square the whole square, which is equal to cot square theta. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sin. Then both will be cancelled, then we get 1 minus sin square theta. 16m square minus n square the whole square equal to cot square theta. 1 minus sin square theta is nothing but cos square theta. Assume as 3. Next I am going to multiply 1 and 2. 4 into 4, 16, m into n, mn, which is equal to cot theta into cot theta is cos square theta into 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. 16 mn equal to cot square theta. It is in the form of a plus b, a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. Then we get 1 minus sin square theta. 16 mn equal to cot square theta. 1 minus sin square theta is nothing but cos square theta. Assume this as 4. From equation 3 and 4, we have 16 n square minus n square the whole square, which is equal to 16 mn. Cancel both 16, then we get n square minus n square the whole square, which is equal to mn. Hence proved. Sum number 4. If cosecant theta minus sin theta equal to a cube, secant theta minus cos theta equal to b cube, then prove that a square into b square into a square plus b square equal to 1. Given a cube equal to cosecant theta minus sin theta. Cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta minus sin theta. Then take LCM, then we get 1 minus sin square theta by sin theta, which is equal to 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta by sin theta. Next, consider b cube. Okay. So, first we find the value of a cube. A cube is nothing but cos square theta by sin theta. Then a is cos square theta by sin theta the whole power 1 by 3. Next, we are going to find b value. Given b cube equal to secant theta minus cos theta. Secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta minus cos theta, which is equal to 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta. Then b cube equal to 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta by cos theta. Then b is sin square theta by cos theta the whole power 1 by 3. Now consider this one, that is a square b square into a square plus b square. Okay, now in the place of a you substitute cos square theta by sin theta whole power 1 by 3 into 2 is 2 by 3. B square is, that is b is sin square theta by cos theta. 1 by 3 into 2 is 2 by 3 into a square plus b square, that is cos square theta by sin theta. Cos square theta by sin theta the whole power 2 by 3 plus sin square theta by cos theta the whole power 2 by 3, which is equal to cos square theta the whole power 2 by 3 is cos power 4 by 3 theta. Sin theta the whole power 2 by 3 theta is sin 2 by 3 theta. Sin square theta the whole power 2 by 3 is sin 4 by 3 theta. Cos theta the whole power 2 by 3 is cos 2 by 3 theta. Here also cos square theta the whole power 2 by 3 is cos 4 by 3 theta by sin theta the whole power 2 by 3 is sin 2 by 3 theta plus sin square theta the whole power 2 by 3 is sin 4 by 3 theta by cos the whole power 2 by 3 theta is cos 2 by 3 theta. Here we can cancel one of the 2 by 3 theta, then we get 2 by 3, and sin also similarly we will get 2 by 3. Then we get cos 2 by 3 theta sin 2 by 3 theta. Now here you take LCM, then we get cos 4 by 3 theta cos 2 by 3 theta plus sin 4 by 3 theta into sin 2 by 3 theta by sin 2 by 3 theta cos 2 by 3 theta. Now cos 2 by 3 theta and sin 2 by 3 theta will be cancelled. Now we have cos 4 by 3 theta cos 2 by 3 theta. So we can add the powers. Then we get cos 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3 is 6 by 3 theta plus sin 4 by 3 theta sin 2 by 3 theta is sin 6 by 3 theta, which is equal to 6 by 3 is 2 cos square theta plus sin square theta. So we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So that only we are having in the right hand side. Hence proved. Hence proved.